Hello everyone, in this video, we'll look at the best VPN settings to keep your mobile device secure. First, open your VPN app and make sure it is set to connect automatically when your phone starts or when you go online. This ensures your connection is always protected, even on public Wi-Fi. Next, choose a server location close to your region. A nearby server gives you faster speeds while still encrypting your traffic. If you need more privacy, select a server in a country known for strong data protection laws. Now, check the VPN protocol. In most apps, you can find this under Advanced Settings. Select WireGuard or OpenVPN if available. These are modern, secure, and efficient protocols that balance speed and protection. Make sure the kill switch is turned on. This setting stops all internet traffic if your VPN disconnects unexpectedly, keeping your data from being exposed. If your VPN app has a feature called split tunneling, use it carefully. It lets you choose which apps use the VPN and which do not. For the best security, route all apps through the VPN. Finally, check that your VPN provider has a no-log policy. This means they do not store your browsing data or connection history. By keeping these settings active and choosing a trusted VPN service, you ensure your mobile browsing, messages, and online activities stay private and secure. Thanks for watching.